Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a background image transparent in Google Slides so your text stands out and your presentation looks professional. First, select your image. The first step is to ensure you have your image on the slide and ready for editing. Click on the image you want to make transparent so it is highlighted with a blue border. If you haven't added one yet, go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Once it's on your slide, click it once to activate the image-specific tools in the top toolbar. Next, open Format Options. Google Slides hides the transparency slider inside a specific customization menu. With the image selected, click on Format Options in the top toolbar. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen. Look for the section labeled Adjustments and click the small arrow to expand it. This is where you'll find the controls for opacity, brightness, and contrast. Lastly, adjust the opacity slider. This is the magic step that turns your solid image into a subtle background. Locate the opacity slider and drag it to the left. Moving the slider towards 0% makes the image more transparent. For a background that doesn't distract from your text, a setting between 30% and 50% is usually the sweet spot. Your changes happen in real time, so you can stop exactly when it looks right. And that's all there is to it. To make an image transparent in Google Slides, select your photo, click Format Options in the toolbar, and expand the Adjustments tab. Simply drag the opacity slider to the left until your image reaches the perfect level of transparency for your presentation. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.